want to get long-term care insurance. Are there any other options available to protect my assets from long-term care costs?
Probably are other possible solutions. So first, let's talk about what long-term care insurance, what traditional long-term care insurance is. That's the kind of insurance where you pay a premium, often a pretty large premium, to an insurance company. In return, they say they will pay certain long-term care benefits on your behalf. So that might be the nursing home bill, that might be an assisted living or home health care bill. And in return, typically there's a bit of a deductible that they call an elimination period that might be pretty common as the first 90 days the policy doesn't cover. So the main complaints I hear from folks about why they don't have long-term care insurance, a few reasons. One is people say, well, I'm never going to go to the nursing home, so I don't need long-term care insurance. And I always chuckle and I say, well, go out to the nursing home. They're full, and they're full of people who never thought they would be in the nursing home. So nobody ever wants to be in the nursing home, but it happens. So the other most common answer I hear from people is why they don't have long-term care insurance is it's really expensive. And if I don't use it, I lose it, meaning all those premiums they paid, they lost. So I understand why people don't like long-term care insurance. It's a tool in our toolkit. It's something we look at. If you have a really high amount of income, then it might make sense to get long-term care insurance. But there's actually other solutions that are actually pretty neat, and they're fairly new. Most financial planners they're not familiar with them, and that's not because financial planners are bad. Financial planners, a lot of great ones out there, but they are used to trying to grow your money. And at a certain stage in life, that is what we want. But when my clients come to see me and we're talking about elder care protection, we're talking about protecting their assets. And there are actually products out there now that are annuities or life insurance, where we can tag that into certain riders to get long-term care coverage that are quite interesting in the fact that if you never need long-term care, then your heirs get the life insurance or the annuity, just like any other life insurance or annuity. But if you put money in there and need long-term care, depending on when you get it in the product, it might quadruple the benefits for long-term care. So let's say somebody repositions $50,000 from a CD that's not paying them anything right now in this climate and puts it into one of these products, it might go from $50,000 to a $100,000 death benefit if they never need long-term care. But it might go to $200,000, so $50,000 to $200,000 if they need long-term care. So we help clients with that. I work with somebody who's a financial planner, but I had to search all over the place to find a financial planner that actually specializes in financial products that help people protect their assets from long-term care costs. Most financial planners aren't familiar with that area. So I found somebody that is, and he helps our clients protect their assets.